It is all around us. Even now, in this very moment, you can see it when you look out your...
Alright, okay, so hi! So now we're gonna do unboxing of your AirPods
AirPods Gen 2.
and my AirPods Pro!
This is free.
Yes,
Please,
free.
Freebies.
Freebies. So I won this during the first raffle draw. How
And
about
this
you?
one I bought, this is for 9, this is 899.
Yay.
Plus the case, all in all 1,000.
So,
Okay, let's go. So we are going to unbox. And this is our first time to have AirPods.
do the time lapse.
Time lapse, but this is, oh my god. I cannot open
You
it.
should not talk because the time lapse is so fast.
Yeah, so the time of
I'm the winner!
This is the winner. Okay?
How do you
Right.
do this?
Time lapse. Time lapse. And I am the wait. And I'm the winner.
I am the second winner!
I'm the winner, and this is the
Allah.
this is the one.
So
And-
cute.
And that
Why so
Okay.
why so cute?
Okay. And this is the
wire!
charger.
Yeah!
And we will now.
Why you will open it?
Oh, we'll not open this one. Only this one.
Open this
Okay.
one,
And then it's still a plastic again.
yes, it's
It's a plastic.
something.
So how to open it? Time lapse. Time lapse. Okay, and again.
Winner!
It's a comment, and I'm the
Winner!
winner.
Wow, so nice.
Yes,
So
so
what's
Nakalagay
yours?
kahigda
Mine
yan.
is with lights. But
This
yours,
is the Gen 2.
this is Gen 2.
Pro.
And it's charging. There's a charger.
Yes,
There's a
yes.
charger port, and this is the charger wire. And
And
we do not have that
Adapter.
adapter. Okay, and this is our
You show that
first
first.
the preview. Okay, again,
So,
lights, camera, action.
So you hope you get it.
I'll get one for me. This is where is the right and where is the left?
see, so cute.
Oh, there's the difference. Look.
I have earbuds. Earbuds.
Okay, and
And
this
this
one.
is so small. And
And which is right and left?
there's a there.
There's a there. Okay, so this is left, but I'm holding it right, so I'm going to hold it with left. This
Yes.
time is the. This is my first time, kaya medyo ignoramos.
Okay. And
Okay,
then
then we are
let's go
going
to the ears.
put to the ears. Yeah.
Wow.
This is long. Oh, it says
Yes.
oh, compare. That is
What?
Gen Pro, and look.
Yes. This is so cute.
And this is long. This is short. Okay.
This is more expensive.
This is more expensive. This is cheaper.
but
and
it
like
has the
this.
same quality.
Huh?
Most expensive din mo, ha?
And then
A little bit expensive.
this is the.
It's already kuan. Raffle.
Okay.
Right.
Cannot
You
be
don't know how to open
open.
it. I'm the winner! Why did you broke it? It's just like this, Daddy. No.
Like that.
Yes.
Yay!
First time.
And this
I'm
is
the
the.
winner.
Okay, so we will place what? This
This
one.
one.
Okay.
Here.
So this is the one.
Ta-da.
There's an opening here
Yes, for the charger.
for the charger. So what? Like this.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I open that way.
No.
Oh my
Like
god,
that.
it's inverted or reverse. Okay.
Hey, you-
What? Oh my god.
Sorry.
Okay.
That's from my
And-
father's
And
name.
it will be like this. And then
Sabitay.
we will have the key holder.
Yeah.
So the key holder will insert what? This way, that way, or
Anyway.
anyway.
Did it my way.
Okay, so thank you for buying.
Thank you for buying.
Thank you because I bought this one and like this. Okay?
Thank you for myself, the nerd.
Okay.
And you can put it here if you
Oh,
want.
I see, but it
Yes.
could be nuts.
How?
But that's not sure. Oh, see how it can just be. Okay.
Try it.
So, shall we
So,
try?
okay.
Let me try mine.
So it's just so easy. Oh,
Yeah.
your videographer is our face over there.
Are you okay? Okay.
So you just put
What?
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth, so
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth, and then
Press the Bluetooth. Then press.
AirPods connecting.
Then, let me see AirPods. Save.
AirPods
Connecting.
connecting.
Alright. But,
But
how come? It
How
took
come?
time to connect. It's very near. Is this not...
mine
Okay.
is AirPods Pro. You should pair it first, Daddy.
Okay, it's saved. So therefore,
I
let me see.
Mine is
Ever.
pairing now. Oh, pair!
How come?
It's a prank!
What happened? It's not pairing.
Oh my goodness.
What
Let me
happened?
see, let me
Again. Mine is not
Oh,
pairing.
mine is pairing now. Let me see. Oh, it's here.
Look that again. AirPods. It might be your AirPods that is being
What? What's being kuan what?
that's being connected. Is it not yours?
Mine is AirPods Pro.
AirPods Pro. Mine is only AirPods Gen 2. Not that one. Connecting. Let me see.
Just wait.
Does this battery?
What? It will show if it has battery.
Oh, it just says save.
Maybe that's not the one. Let's check that out.
Oh my goodness. Ah, yeah, because it says it Pro. Ah, it's my cell phone that is Pro.
Yes. You put it back first, Daddy. Look.
Okay. Ah, I see. So this is the right
Right.
and the left.
Hold them
up high,
so
so clean and bright.
Touch
So what? I'm
it
putting
up.
this one here.
Yes,
Then?
but then,
Okay,
That.
like that.
then you open this one, you press the button at the back, this button at the back.
Where's the button?
Yes. Let's see.
Where's the button?
There, it's at the back.
Ah, yeah, there is. Look at me. Then, press already. It don't pair. So, is this
Oh, here.
where?
There. Okay. Okay, go use it now.
Okay, let me use this one now. And when it's okay, then it's okay. Let me see.
Oh, you try it. I don't
Okay.
know where.
Let me see which one is the one.
The 2 and the 3,
Okay.
the king go.
And let's go.
You just open anything.
Yeah, wait.
Go! It is?
Yes.
How is it? Good?
Alright. And
Alright.
it's alright.
Thumbs up for us.
Thanks for watching us.
Goodbye.
Philippines.
And hello.
Ireland. Thank you, our
Bye.
video.
Jumper.
Wala.
Wala na ako.
And
Yours.
na.
Na.
Okay.